If your phone's battery is stuck and not going up, this issue is usually caused by a hidden software setting, not your charger, not your battery. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Battery. Now tap Charging Settings. Turn off everything you see here. Battery Optimization. Charging Protection. Fast Charging Limits. Background Restrictions. Once everything is off, restart your phone. After restart, plug in your charger and wait 5 to 10 minutes. If the percentage starts increasing, problem solved. If it's still not charging properly, go back to Settings Battery. Scroll down and tap Diagnostics or Device Care. Here, test two things. Heavy checkmark Cable Charging Test. Heavy checkmark Battery Status. If both show normal or good, your hardware is fine. This is 100% a software issue. Unplug the charger. Now press and hold power button plus volume down for 10 to 15 seconds until the phone shuts down. Release both buttons, then press power again to turn it on. Once the phone boots up, plug in the charger and let it charge for at least 20 to 30 minutes. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe for more tech updates.